Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today's lesson 14 of the pronunciation course. We are going to see the nasal vowel IN. If you have the book, it's on page 36 and 37, and for the listening from 26 to 30. Let's have a look at the IPA, which is really interesting for this one. Do you remember that we saw that the sound E is the little 3 but switch? Well, for the sound IN, it's going to be the same sound, but as a nasal sound. So we have the little accent on top. So we have 7 different ways to obtain the sound IN, plus an extra one. We have IN, IM, AIN, EIN, AIM, YN, YM, and finally the extra one is a N. So let's jump right away into the pronunciation of the sound. So the tongue is going to stay at the bottom of your mouth. The air is going through your mouth and your nose since it's a nasal sound, a nasal vowel, okay? And then your mouth is going to be slightly stretched horizontally. So we have un, okay? We have a lot to see, so let's jump right away into the example for IN. We have le jardin, le jardin, le singe, le singe, le lapin, le lapin, le poussin, le poussin, la faim, la faim, afin, afin, un chemin, un chemin, 5, 5, un cousin, un cousin, un cintre, un cintre. Then we have the same sound for IM before a B or P. We have simple, simple, impossible, impossible, le timbre, le timbre, grimper, grimper, une impasse, une impasse, imposer, imposer, un impact, un impact, un imposteur, un imposteur, un limbe, un limbe, un impôt, un impôt. Now if you see A-I-N, pronounce obviously un pain, un pain. Une main, ahead. Demain, demain. Un bain, un bain. Vilain, vilain. Urbain, urbain. Un humain, un humain. Un grain, un grain. Un copain, un copain. Un train, un train. Next one is EIN. We have une peinture, une peinture. Un frein, un frein. Une ceinture, une ceinture. Un sein, un sein. Un rein, un rein. Éteindre, éteindre. Peindre, peindre. Une teinture, une teinture. Atteindre, atteindre. And finally, plein, plein. The next one is A-I-M, pronounced also un. Let's see 3 for this one. La fin, la fin. Un daim, un daim. Un essaim, un essaim. Then we have YN. I'm going to give you the most common one because we don't have many. We have un lynx, un lynx, un larynx, un larynx. For YM, we also follow the rule before B or before P, even though we have also one that doesn't follow the rule. So we have le teint, le teint. Sympa, sympa. Le tympan, le tympan. Un symbole, un symbole. And finally, I told you that EN can also be pronounced un. This is an irregular, but it's such a common word, especially if you learn French. It's un examen, un examen. So EN at the end make the sound un examen. That's it for un. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to practice your listening skills. Tomorrow is going to be about the last nasal vowel that we have. We have UN. This is a very interesting one. So I will see you tomorrow. À demain.